Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner at your profile icon. Then I want you to click on the top right corner and tap the three straight lines. Now choose the settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy guys, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called content preferences. Okay, very carefully click on it. There is an option in this menu that is called restricted mode. In this particular case I already have this off, but you can turn this on or off by your own preference simply by clicking the button on the lower middle side of the screen. Let me remind you, what is the restricted mode and why TikTok is actually implementing it? Essentially, there are particular videos according to TikTok algorithm or TikTok guidance that are inappropriate for some people. Essentially, there is no guarantee that even if you have this on, you're not gonna see or end up seeing video that is not in your favor, right? So they advise you that if you find video like this, you need to report to them so they will be able to take this video down. Essentially, if you want to see any video on the platform fearful without having any restrictions, the restricted mode should be off. If you are cautious and emotional and you might experience certain damage, you most likely want to have this feature on so it will protect you. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.